if you are wondering if you have to purchase the original power adapter for your OPPO Reno 15, or if you can use a power adapter that is not made by OPPO, then the answer is actually the latter. So in my case, I use, for example, this 120 watts Super VOOC power adapter, and this is what you're looking for if you want to get a best power adapter for your phone. Not the amount of watts, I'm gonna actually mention this in a second, but it is important that it has the Super VOOC technology over here, because these Super VOOC power adapters use UFCS technology for these power adapters, which means that you get the fastest charging speed possible out of the power adapter for your OPPO Reno 15. Specifically, you want to use a power adapter that has 80 watts or more, so in this case this one is one of the best choices. And this is a Realme power adapter, and of course Realme, OPPO and OnePlus are pretty much the same companies. Of course they are not, but all these technologies that they use are pretty much the same. So you can get a OnePlus power adapter, OPPO power adapter, or Realme power adapter with Super VOOC technology, or if you find another power adapter with Super VOOC, then of course probably that's fine as well. And this is what you're looking for. Of course, if you want to, you don't have to specifically search for that specific power adapter. If you get a PPS power adapter, then you have 55 watts of wide charging. In the case of PD or QC power adapters, we have 13.5 watts charging possible. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So you don't have to, but of course it is recommended to use at least one of these three brands that I mentioned, or other similar brands that belong to the same company. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.